Welcome back to our Blender Basics series. In part 4, we're stepping out of the dark and diving into the world of lighting. Let's make your scenes shine. First up, the point light. Think of this like a light bulb. It radiates light in every direction from a single point. It's perfect for local lighting, like a lamp in a room. Next, we have the sunlight. Unlike other lights, its position doesn't matter, only its angle. It mimics distant sunlight, providing parallel rays and consistent shadows across your entire scene. Need some drama? Use the spotlight. It projects a cone-shaped beam in a specific direction. It's ideal for stage lights, flashlights, or highlighting a specific subject. For soft professional shadows, the area light is your best friend. It emits light from a flat shape like a square or rectangle. It's the go-to for studio setups and realistic interior lighting. Finally, don't forget Emission. This isn't a light object, but a material property. You can turn any mesh into a light source, perfect for neon signs, screens, or glowing sci-fi effects. Always adjust your power and radius settings to control the intensity and the softness of your shadows. Experimenting is key. That's lighting in a nutshell. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for part 5, and let me know in the comments what you're building. Happy blending!